Hi everyone, welcome to this another video in Market YouTube channel. So hope it was a good trading day. So today the bow copy has not come till now. Let me just check finally one second. So bow copy is not come now. It's 10:50 almost time now. Let me see whether luck is there anything. There is no luck and the bow copy is not yet available. So just now 10:50 almost 11 o'clock. I'm not sure whether the NSE is working till now or they are just gone because PVR is opened for movies and all. Public is still open. People are going to see the movies possibly. I don't know. So let's see what happened in the market today and some important data points. So if you see this daily chart, so weekly chart actually, you can see very clearly the market is going, the Bank Nifty is going in 45 degrees starting from this point and it keep on going on the upside only, there is no end to it. 45 degrees still we are able to maintain this 45 degree, then there will be no correction at all till 45 degrees. And in case of Nifty if you see here, this also maintaining the 45 degree and this 1 by 1 degree is maintained till the time just going just maybe like 100 points 200 points below and then again coming back to 45 degrees. So it is like holding a tiger's tail. Now it is this a tail. Once the tail is given up, then Nifty can fall like a, I don't know how to tell actually, like a stone it can fall because a lot of people are just riding this wave and the crowd is building up heavily actually. So almost this one we are seeing here starting from March 2020, almost 1.5 years of rally. This is 1.5 years of rally. When the fall comes, it's going to be more worst than this actually, more worst than this. But this is to has to be maintained at any cost by all the interested parties. If anybody fails to hold this rally, then we can see expecting of 1,000 points fall. We can come to this level almost 50,000 levels. In 2,000 points fall can come in just 2 weeks also. So that's a kind of very horrible fall we can see in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty. But thing is that it's a matter of time. For you, for that purpose, we have to see the daily chart and come to the conclusion. What is the level? So if you see in case of Nifty, this 17,500, this level 1750 Q26 is the support for us. Any close below this level for more than 3 days in a row, then there's a time we have to be cautious and you can come to the next level actually. The 50,000 level, this is whatever the breakout we got here. This level we need to test means then we have to see the cube 26 to be broken. This cube 26 is a very very powerful support here. It cannot be broken so easily. If it's broken, then 2,000 points correction Nifty is unavoidable. So just keep a note on this cube 26 only. Don't come under pressure thinking that the market is not yet giving the correction what to do and all, because in the market gives correction that time you try to grab it. Till the time you have to wait for the opportunity. And in case of Bank Nifty, if you see here also we are just above this level. This is a cube, no, this is a cube actually. I think the level got broken. Okay, the level I think got deleted possibly. I'm not sure how it got deleted. Okay, now the after the breakout of this, now actually the be a new high. Now the target for Bank Nifty is almost 42,000 levels here. Fibonacci retracement. So now we have to hold this level at any cost. This previous high water we made, this was around 37,700. So until the time we are holding 37,700, now we are going to test the new highs. Some correction can up and down, whatever is possible, but we should not break this level and close below this level. And this you can see trend support also is here. So this support also will be taken care. We should not break this level 37,700. Till the time we don't break, then definitely we can target 42,000 levels and maybe possibly in the next maybe 1 or 2 months possibly it can happen. So don't this being a new high, always I keep telling you, when the instrument is trading at a new high, don't short because it's very very risky. It is not like S Bank. S Bank made a new high around 415 levels something and then started correcting. So index is not like a stock where it can have some problem comes or the fall can come crashly. Because globally we should see some problem and the Dow Jones also need to correct, then only we can see some correction. Otherwise we don't see expect any correction here. Till the time it goes on, keep go, let it go and don't fight with the market. That's the main funda. Today, if you see here F&O stocks heat map, you can see very clearly IT, Pharma, FMCG, all this majority of the Nifty components has been pulled down and the Bank Nifty went up, and that's the way how Nifty was maintained today. So Nifty overall, if you see here, Reliance managed, Reliance HDFC, the banks, all the bank sector stocks on one hand and the other stocks on the other hand. So all these days this will be silent and the other stocks they are rallying. Now this will be silent and this will be rallying. So this is the way how it is managed here. This is the way how market works, and index management is part and parcel of each and every country also. So don't try to blame the market, because the way whatever the market does, you have to be part and parcel. If you want to be part of the market, then you have to understand how it works and you have to go with the market. Never, first of all, you should know whether you are a trader or investor. If you're a trader, buy low, sell high. This is the only funda. You should not think economy or the corruption or the poverty, unemployment, this all these problems, valuation high. Nothing you should bother. Just go for the technicals and buy low, sell high should be a funda, and that's the way how you can be a successful trader. So definitely you just know about what is the levels here for Bank Nifty. Below the level you can become the selling opportunity for these stocks. And coming to the open interest, if you see here in case of Nifty, 17800 is the option pain is there. So this level expiry is expected, and also today we saw futures spiking all the way to by 80,000 levels, and then failed actually. It's today's open equal to high for Nifty futures. And coming to the Bank Nifty, if you see Bank Nifty, and the option pain is around 30,000 levels for even next week. Just see for all the expiries, whatever is there, everything is 30,000 only as of now. And even third week, there is not a volume, will not be there, liquidity will not be there. You can ignore it. So month end expiry, everything is pointed to 30,000 levels now as of now. So as of now, so 30,000 should be the opportunity for you to sell the rise, provided we don't this option pain does not move actually. Now coming to the levels also, if you see, so since the problem of bow copy is there, I don't want to upset the Excel online Excel dashboard buyers subscribers actually. So I made this also already, this levels are based on the true data, whatever the tick data available with me, with the high and low everything, so that they readily start the trading tomorrow morning with the levels. Definitely, NSE might be publishing the data in the night, midnight, or early morning. Okay, so that the traders are not able to gear up. So you have to gear up for everything. So unless we don't gear up, anything can happen in this time. Maybe possibly that after 1 or 2 months, the NSE may tell BAV copy will not publish at all. What we can do? Nothing can be done. All these days, people are fighting for this margin problem and then free trade problem. Nothing has happened also. So BAV copy, if they didn't publish also, nothing will happen. You keep on shouting, and NSEB and SEBI will be doing, keep on whatever they want to do only. So we have to do whatever is possible from our hand with the available resources. So it's a lesson for every trader also. So don't try to shout or jump. Nothing is going to happen. Last 1 year, everybody shouted and everybody kept quiet. So these are levels for tomorrow. If you see here, the support is very clearly 30 to 100 levels here. There's a border case here. So in case you want to buy the put option, then you have to look for the 38 100 put option. Now currently trading at 258. In case if it goes above 357, now 100 points above, so 30 to 100 put option trading about to 358 and 100 points above, then only be a good opportunity to buy put option. But please ensure don't buy at the open itself market. It's a free trade, very stay cautious. So if you want to go for 30,000 put option, then 307, so roughly 100 points here also. So put options, roughly you can see this is the place where the buying opportunity will be there, because here the new addition of open interest happened today. The highest open interest, if you see today, open interest change here happened on 38,300 actually. So people became very aggressive and shorted the put option here. So being 30% of option pain, so this is an opportunity also where the people can run for squaring of the positions here in case sudden fall is coming in the Bank Nifty. So 3300 put option, the buying opportunity will be around 456 above the long breakout level. And once it sustains below this go short and long breakout, then that's the time you should look for shorting opportunity if it's not sustaining and market is keep on moving on the upside. Otherwise you can buy the put option. Above long breakout you can buy the put option, but provided we should have that levels in place. So this is the futures also, the levels for tomorrow. If we go below short breakout, so future sustaining below 38,000 level, that's the only time you can look for buying the put option, otherwise possibly, because market can come here between this level. If you see the between this sharp breakout previously low, this is a place where market can come and trap the people, or the market can go tomorrow between this go short and long breakout and trap. So this is a trapping zone for the markets for bears and bulls both. So this zone you should remember for futures, this level where the market can trap on gap up, and this way market can gap down and trap also. So the levels remember. And for Nifty also, if you see, For Nifty, the PCR support is around 17,850. So this level, if you break, then only the market can come down. So very good support is 17,850. So this is the level. In case market gaps up, then look for the buying, selling the call option. If you want a, if are bearish, instead of buying put option, sell some call option. At least you make some money. Otherwise, you unwantedly come under pressure and you lose money by buying put options, because market nobody can now predict. Everybody is because astrology also is indicating that the not much negativity is there, slight negativity is there. So the astrology also sent to all the subscribers of gold members. They also can have an idea. Based on that, you can enter some trades, but it is all advisable that take your own decisions. Don't try blindly trade based on the water view somebody is selling. So because your money, you should be taking very safe precautions. And coming to this black shells model also, I want to show you today. See, normally if you see, the put option is very high premium actually against compared to theoretical value. Now if you see, the put call option started trading at high value actually. This one now, once it may possibly, I am expecting that this put option premium will be coming down and call option premium will be going up, and that's the time then will be very good opportunity for shorting also. Because when call premium increases above the theoretical value, then the price will be falling down. Earlier we saw the put option premium was very high, then market was keep on raising. Now this will happen opposite side now. And that's one thing I want to show you. And then if you see the dashboard also here, everything is in the positive only, nothing is bearish now. But Nifty is bearish. If you see from morning, if you see from morning, after opening gold high, keep on coming down only, and there is no reversal at all. So it is just managed between the bank nifty. So if you're trading in bank nifty, trade only bank nifty or Nifty, because both are different mindset. You have to handle the call or put option, you have to handle the bank nifty, you have to handle the volatility. So be cautious, don't come under stress, or trade in all the instruments whatever you wanted to trade. So trade only the instrument which is you feel understanding, because both are trading different direction. All these days Nifty was going on the upside, and now bank nifty is going upside, Nifty is coming down. So as I mentioned, the ratios is very important. The ratio, if you see for bank nifty around, currently spot is around 38,171, 38,171, and 7, let us use the ratio 38,171 divided by 17,855. If you see, the ratio is 2.13 only. We saw already it's a 2.45 is the maximum what bank nifty can go. If being at Nifty at the same level, roaming here and there, bank nifty can make all the 2.45 level means 43,000. So the ratio what we saw already, if that ratio has to be achieved means, then Nifty staying in same place, bank nifty can all the way go to 43,000 levels also without Nifty going anywhere. Let me just show you this level also. So this one setup I just try to make it actually. And in the weekly chart, daily chart also, we'll see weekly chart also. I just want to show you something. Okay, daily chart also is there. This is the 8-year trailing stop loss. Okay, this is 8-year trailing stop loss and the 30-day moving average actually. See how nicely means you are getting some whipsaw here, but 8-year trailing stop loss we got only one stop out. And here also you see 37,000 level. Till we don't break 37,000 level in bank nifty futures, this is okay. Let us just try in the spot actually. In the spot, if you see here 37,000 level, roughly this level we should break, then only you can think for some shorting opportunity or a down moves. And then cloud also support is there 35,000. So cloud also is keep on moving on the upside. There is no green red signal here at all. So till we don't see price below this 37,000 level and below the cloud, no chance of market being correction seeing actually. So you have to wait for the opportunity. When the opportunity comes, you grab it. Otherwise don't try to fight the market buying a put option. Keep on buying put option. Only the put seller is going to make money. You will not make money. So plan accordingly. And in case of Nifty, if you see here, now Nifty clearly it is in the up move. You can see here, unless we do break 17,500 at least 17,500 we break, then we can think of some down moves actually. Some down moves, not in correction. At least a correction we can see in case of Nifty 17,500, not below that. And also this 17,140 next support is there. The cloud is another support is there. And we don't see below that, you should not go for any shorting opportunity at all. Otherwise you can go for some call spread or put spread actually. That's one you can try. Now if you think that Nifty has come to a top level and we're not seeing any up move on the upside, then look for shorting some call options, or then look for shorting some put options actually. Or you can try them put spreads. Let me just show you this one strategy builder. And strategy builder, if you see, like Nifty may not be going above 18,000 if you feel, that is the time you can get into strategy builder. Where is strategy builder? Okay, 1 minute. I think there is a problem. Okay, options, strategy builder, strategy builder. Let me see. It's not going at all. Some problem in the website possibly. Yeah, it's going now. So if you think that Nifty can not go above 18,000, and then you want to make some money by selling some options, actually put option, because call option is very costly. Then you go for bear spread. Actually, what you do is, let us take this 20th October. We have five expiries are there. Just see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five expiries are there. So we are going to use that opportunity to make some money from the market. So 18,000 put option you are buying here, and you are buying just one lot here, and for this you may be spending around 19,000 rupees roughly, and then you are selling the current expiry, which is around 18,500 put option. Current expiry, sorry, 17,050, I'm sorry, 17,850. Okay, nearest, because we saw the expiry is around 7,800, so 7,850 is a put option. You can sell one lot here. So for this, the margin requirement will be around total margin requirement will be around additional 25,000 will be there. So 25,000 margin, total margin is 28,000 level actually. So you can make around 14% return here. And now this is the payoff chart here. When the market goes above 18,000 level, then you start making loss here. Market, if it goes about 80,000, then you will start making loss, and that too by expiry. And if it's before tomorrow, if you see, want to see for tomorrow Tuesday what is the level means, then you can see market going above 17,940, then you'll start making loss here. So this advance, this is the way you can just understand whether market, whether your position will be in loss or profit. And this way you can make at least some 15% return you can make here by expiry, and by 30th June, 30th June, so 30th September. So this way you can make maximum 5,000 rupees profit here. But the risk is there. In that case, if you want to handle your risk, what you can do is you can sell one more lot here. You just sell two lots here, modify, and you can just, what you do is 90%. You got this level here. Now what you do is buy some 17,500 put, 17,400 put option. Okay, 17,400 put option you buy, which is around maybe like two lots you can buy. Maybe you can buy two lots here. So the break even will come to around 18,166. So this way you can just try to use the opportunity for selling some put options. Here the margin fees is very very nominal here, because you are buying a hedge also here, and you are buying hedge in the money also, and that to October month and expiry. So this way you can make the money. And for example, if you get entire money 90 rupees, you are getting the money by selling, and everything goes zero, then you make double the money. Like almost 180 rupees you are recovering here, you paid 388 rupees. So almost like 50% of the money you're recovering for what you spend for buying the put option. So this put option you can get a compensation is called funding your option buying. Okay, so you are funding option buying here. And next week also, for example, the market is Nifty staying same place, then you can again sell some put option here. Assume that now experience happened. Now let me just delete this. Now you go for next week expiry. If you just go for 17,800 put option, and that to first week of October expiry, you see, you can see 149 rupees, and you paid almost 300 rupees. You are recovering some 90 rupees already. Now here we're going to sell only one lot here. 7th October, 17,800 put option, you're going to sell one lot here. Now you see here the profit is going to be unlimited. Okay, this is the one you need not, this is not required that time, and we'll delete this. So again you'll make money around this amount. So again you make a double the quantity, you can still double the quantity of put option and recover the amount. So in 2 weeks time you will be recovering all the amount what you spent for buying the put option, and after 3 weeks you can, what are going to get money by selling the put options to your bonus. So this is the way you can make some weekly income based on the option buying. But the view is 18,000 will not cross. That's the view. Otherwise, you can go for the reverse options. Instead of buying in a put option, selling put option, go for buying the call option and selling the call option. So this way you can go reverse your position if the market become still bullish and going above 18,000 level. So hope you like this video, and if you like the video, subscribe and like channel.